Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorials from the Biology Brain Profile. And in this particular video lecture, we shall be discussing about a very basic school algebra application in the population genetics. So application of the formula a plus b plus c whole square that we are using from our school days many times, but we still, I think we have not applied practically in a certain problem. So practical application of this formula a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca in population genetics and multiple allele system, for example, like the human blood groupings. So it will help you for the all India competitive exams and NEET too. Let's come to the question. In a hypothetical human population, that is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, so question goes like this: the frequency of the three alleles. So as we all know, the chromosome number 9 that is associated with the IA, IB and IO for creating blood groups. So it is a ABO system, and their frequency has been given as of 0.1, 0.3 and 0.6. So if you add this all, you will get 1 together respectively. Find the percentage of population with B blood group. So as we all know, and we have studied a lot about the Hardy-Weinberg principle in like a maintenance of equilibrium, and we know if a particular population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, so there is no chance of evolution. So if you disrupt this particular equilibrium, there is a chance of evolution by, you can say, genetic drift mutation could be there. There are so many possible reasons. But the equation that we use for the Hardy-Weinberg principle, that is P plus Q equals to 1, or P plus Q whole square equals to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. So if you take the allele frequency as a P and Q, so this will satisfy. But this particular equation cannot be used. This particular equation will not help you to find out this particular numerical problems. So as you have given multiple allelic system, and one very important information that in the human blood grouping is not dominating over the B. Here A and B is a co-dominant. So multiple allelism and the human blood grouping system is a fantastic example of co-dominance. At the same time, A dominates over O and B dominates over O. So that is why it is the human blood grouping is an example of co-dominance and dominance and also multiple allelism. So now we shall approach this problem with the equation that is A plus B plus C whole square. So we are doing these things from the school days. So that is equals to A square plus B square C square plus 2AB, simple 2BC plus 2CA, 2BC plus 2CA, like this. Now we shall take the small a as the frequency for the IA allele. It is an alternative form of the gene. So that is 0.1 as per the question. Now this lowercase letter b is equals to the IB allele or gene alternative forms, that is 0.3, and for C that equals to the allelic frequency of the IO. So all for A, B and O, you have a certain allelic frequency that has been taken as a B and C, and that is equals to 0.6. So addition of these things will lead to the 1.0. That is fine. Now if you see A square, that means IA into IA over here. So A square means, if I write it as a square, so you will get 0.1 square. So IA cross IA, that is the IA square, and that frequency will be like this. So we need not to solve all the equations, just we have to look out for the B blood group. So IA, this is for the A blood group. Now B square means IB cross IB, so IB square, that is the matter of concern because that is the B blood group. But we have to wait. For the C, it is IO cross IO, that is the C square. So it is 0.6 whole square, that is your O blood group. Now 2AB. Now A is for IA and B has been taken for the IB. So this is your AB blood group. You can get an alternative question for the frequency of AB. You might be asked for the calculation. Now 2BC, first you understand how the things are going on. Then B is for IB and C is for IO. That is also B blood group. So don't make decision in hurry, just we have to decide where these B blood groups are present. So B square and 2BC, because this is the dominant thread, B will dominate over the small IO, this one. So this and this, B square and 2BC, both will help to, this is a cumulative, both will help to identify the frequency of the gene. Now 2CA, C is for the IO and A is for the IA. So this is your last one is the A blood group. Definitely, so we are getting all set of blood group. So out of this, B blood group will be equals to B square plus 2BC. Now you have to do calculation for it. It is now simple. So as you know the formula here. So for the B equation is 0.3 whole square plus 2 into B, that is 0.3 into C. So that is equals to 0.3 whole square equals to 3 by 10 into 3 by 10. That will be equals to 9 by 100. So it is equals to 0.09 plus 0.3 into 0.6 equals to 0.18 into 2 equals to 0.36. So it is coming total 0.45 or simply 45%. In the same way, if the questions are given in the different way, if you are asked to find the percentage of the AB blood group or O blood group or the A blood group, you can use this equation and expansion the same way. So the answer is 45% or 45 people out of this particular hypothetical population is with the B blood group. So I think it will very much help you to understand the basic principle of Hardy-Weinberg law and application of this particular algebra in a practical field and genetics. I think it will definitely help you, and you can like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for the listen.